In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Liftoff app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so you've gone ahead and downloaded and installed the Liftoff app. Now it's time to open it up and use the application. So from here, you're going to come to the main page where it says get started, or I have an account. So from here, I'm going to click on get started for this demonstration. Now they're going to ask you a few questions, so click on sounds good. Then it's going to run you through how's your experience with your working out. So you can say, I've never worked out, or advanced years of experience. So I'm going to do advanced, click next. What brings you to Liftoff? Get motivated to view my ranks, etc. So say for my example, I'm just going to get new workouts, click next. Now you're in the right place. Liftoff can generally generate fully personalized workout plans on the fly. So click next and then choose where you found them. Male, female, choose your gender, how tall you are, click next. Well, it's not letting me choose next here, which is interesting. I might try centimeters. All right, there we go, that worked. What's your current weight? And how old are you? So basically answer all the questions that they're saying. Then what is your top fitness goal? And you got to set your weight goal, or set whatever weight you've chosen. And how fast you want to reach. I'm going to click next. Do you have a workout plan? Yes. Now, is this your equipment? You can change it later. So we can have a look at all the different type of equipments. We can change this later. So I'm just going to choose next again. Now, which muscle did you last work out? So choose which muscle. So I did chest. How long is your typical workout? So mine's about 90 minutes. How many times a workout? So I do 4 days a week. Now, do you want to receive workout previews on active days? You can. So you can click on remind me at etc. So I can do like 12 a.m. choose whatever time, but I'm just going to do maybe later here. All right, with everything you need. Now let's get your first rank. So click on let's go. Now get your first rank. What's your best lift? So we could do pull-ups, push-ups, bench press, all that. So we can do bench press. We can do choose how many kilos for how many reps. So say 10 and then get my rank. So that's the rank I got. So onwards and upwards. So you go next. Okay, your milestone. Here's what you need to reach, champion 2. So we need to, that's whatever you've chosen, they're going to say 1 more rep to champion 3, etc. So you just continue with that. Then from here, they're going to set up everything for you. So I'm going to compile our user profile, calculate strength levels, and then generating body rank. Now we can get stronger with body rank. So your body rank shows how strong your muscles are. So you're going to have bronze all the way to diamond. So click continue. Then perform different exercises to fill up your body rank. So that's self-explanatory. So target lower ranked muscles and you're sure to get stronger. It's actually quite cool. And now from here, they're probably going to try and sell you something. So we're offer 7 days free, so everyone can get ranked with Liftoff. So try for free. Now we'll notify you before your trial ends. So you can say when works best for you, 2-3 days before. I'm going to say 2 days, save reminder. Then we can go ahead and start my free week. No payment now. So I'm going to click out of this. I'm just going to say no thanks. Now your best self is closer than you think. So I suggest signing up with your Google account. So if you ever change phones, get a new phone or lose the app, you can always sign back in. So click on sign up with Google or email. Then from here, it's going to go ahead and create your account. Then it'll say welcome your name. Let's go. Click allow. Now on the home page here, we can see our current level at the top. We've got for you, friends discovery. Now getting started, keep going through all that stuff. Then we can rank your workout, choose exercise, your daily calories. You can add meal, and all that. Then weight loss goal, last 14 workouts. We've got discover down here. Down here we've got friends. We can invite friends with referrals to your app. Then we've got ranks here too. So we've got your rank here, your body graph, your leagues, calculator, and that. And then to the bottom right, we've got profile, where we can go ahead and change our profile, change our name inside of here using the gear icon. We can leave a review, profile, account, and all that stuff. So yeah, that's basically just a quick rundown of how to use the Liftoff workout application.